Guys, welcome back to Naturally Xandra. Today we're gonna get in a different type of video. Your girl is not a professional at this whatsoever. However, I figured I would record this video to show my simple makeup routine because I'm not big into makeup like a lot of other girls. So I think that makes me stand out. Disregard my white lips because I just washed my face and cleansed it. We're gonna get into this hilarious I don't know if it'll be as hilarious. I don't know if I'm gonna mess up as much. Looking in here to see how it looks, and then we're gonna just go with it. I think I'm gonna just look in here actually, and yeah, just be prepared for this not to be that great. It's gonna be okay. You can rock it outside, but this is gonna be titled probably "A Novice Does Her Makeup." How does that sound? Let me know if you like that. But let's get into the video. What do you guys think? I'm telling you my personal opinion. Oh, let me take a look at it. Let me grab yeah, let me take a look at this real quick in the camera. The shade they gave me at Sephora isn't the right shade. Just take a look. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it because it dries too fast. It dries very fast. Like, you have to really, like you seen I was dabbing it into the section. That's just because that's my style of applying makeup. I don't like really watery makeups. But I do like something in between where it's not too watery and not too dry. Because my face is oily, but however, the feeling of dry makeup on your skin is not like vibrant. It's like real matte. It's like a matte look to this one. So in terms of the color, I am not a fan of the color because it's like an orangish color on me. My undertone is more red, so you can see that picks up on camera. Even in this not so good lighting situation because the sun isn't really coming out as much as I would like it to. But I think with my eyes, I should have went with something lighter. I should have went with something like a purplish to match this lip. So I should have, this didn't work. This would have did great for my dark spots because I have a lot of dark spots, you guys. I'm trying to work on that. It's natural remedies you can do to fix that, just so you guys know. You can use lemon, you can use baking powder, you can use like different products on the market. The products on the market break out my skin more, so that's why I stopped using MB and things like that, because it would break me out ridiculously. The lip I love. I think I did a good job with the lip. I always struggle with the lip if I don't have a liner, which you seen I didn't because, like I said, I'm not a professional makeup person or makeup user, so I'm more of a novice. So if you like novice tutorials, you would have liked this one. You may see me again with a makeup tutorial, but I'll do something like do this look over again and do like a concealer review or a new major makeup brand based on the lens of a novice. You guys gotta teach me. You gotta teach me some skills that's not too overly complex. A lot of girls, they spend hours with their makeup. You just seen how fast mine is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye.